Hi guys, my name is Noni Matikela. Welcome to the Noni M podcast. Today, I want us to talk about the pictures of Ndazi and the picture that was doing the rounds, people that screenshot what Judge Rata showed on Wednesday. Was it Wednesday or Tuesday? I don't know, whichever day it was. But Judge Rata showed a picture and people were alleging that that is supposedly a picture of Ndazi, right? Before we get into doing that, guys, please make sure that you do not forget that engagement is key on social media. Please make sure you are watching the videos up until the end and you are watching the ads that are coming through. And please make sure you are liking, subscribing, sharing, commenting, all of that, because it's helping the channel to grow financially and in numbers. Thank you so very much. Now, let's talk about this. Let's get into it. The picture. So there is a gentleman, apparently, according to Miss Patricia or Mrs. Patricia Morgan Mashale, there is a guy that contacted her and said that that picture that was shown, was it Wednesday? I think it was Wednesday, if not Tuesday, that was shown there, it was not him. And that was that. Sorry, it was him. It was that was not that, but a picture of him. And he was like, let me read what Patricia said quickly. Let me read what Patricia said in that first dose that she posted regarding that situation so that we can get context and understand what happened there. Then I will give you my understanding of what was said by Ramsipile inside the courtroom when he was talking about the pictures. Now, here is this. I'm going to read all these things that were posted by Patricia, the things that Patricia said. Okay, I'm getting more. Okay, yeah, there. 2 days ago, she said, the owner of the picture came forward. He sent me the original picture, and this is what he is saying. Hi, Patricia. I've just been dumbstruck with this post. Ngisho kungathiwa izinto ziyafana. That's my picture. I'm now being targeted by our country's intelligence police for the following reasons: trying to change the constitution such that it's truly fair and everything is subjected to democratic processes whereby all citizens get to vote between the proposed constitution and the current one. Aiming to expose criminality, the constitution allows to exist in the entire justice system, seeking to introduce artificial intelligence system to run state. I've been studying the constitution. It's all a dictatorship falsely disguised as democracy and freedom, and I can prove it. The work I seek to do clearly has great importance of the state intelligence police is willingly to put me in the crosshairs of their guns to eliminate it. So it looks like Ugai is doing some work, some serious work wherever he's doing it. And then he says, let's work to bring about true freedom and democracy before they eliminate me, as they do with all whom stand against them. This is clearly a picture of me from 2018. I was in my bedroom in Montclair. Here is the original picture, and that is that which they altered. I've never committed a single crime my entire life. If anything, I stand against criminality, even if it's done by my family. This is the work I seek to expose injustice in the justice system. Please help me finish my work before they succeed in eliminating me. So that's what, and then those are the pictures. I hope you guys can see the original picture and the pictures that were shown on TV and then people screenshot, right? And then after that, Upeti posted another thing. What I will interview the owner of the picture that has been beamed as Danzi. He said that he is willing to be called as a witness to testify about that picture because they even altered the picture. I will post the interview. And then he said again, I'm repeating again, this is not Danzi. This is how this picture came about. The judge was, Yabo? Yes. And then Upeti posted that picture again. Dove shot himself in the foot and embarrassed Seps. even more than Gininda did, and Japs is exposing them, okay? And then she posted a conversation between him and this guy that says that's his picture. I'm still saying that is not Ndanzi in those pictures. The owner of the pictures is in talks with his lawyer. He will let me know when I can interview him, hopefully today. He confirmed that he took those pictures with his own Samsung J5, which he bought 9 years ago. The phone is on his timeline. I'll keep you updated. Okay. And then she posted her promised interview with the owner of the pictures. He confirmed that he is the person in the picture and he took it with a Samsung J5 in 2018 out of the house's mouth. There is the interview. The link is there for Patricia's timeline. Okay. And then I think that's about it about the picture. Ne? Yes, that's about it about the picture. Now, let's get into this now. This is what I wanted to talk about. I saw this picture and I heard multiple versions. My question that I have is this, guys. Did someone say this is Ndanzi? Or we saw a picture of Ujadrata speaking and saying whatever he was saying at the time. And then we assumed that because the album was about pictures of Ndanzi, we assumed that's the picture. I have that ask. I'm not saying they did not say whatever. I'm just asking, did anyone say, this is Bongani Ndanzi? Did anyone say in that courtroom? And be directing, this is Bongani Ndanzi. Did anyone do that? Yes, I heard they spoke about 19 pictures. And in those 19 pictures, 3 belonged to Sibiya, and then the other 16 belonged to Ndanzi. But did they say 1, 2, 3, this picture, this is Ndanzi, this is Ndanzi, this is in all 16 pictures? Is that what they did? Or they said it's pictures of Ndanzi just because they came out of his phone? I want to understand that from us people. Did they say, Ndanzi, Ndanzi, what are you seeing, Ndanzi? What are you seeing, Ndanzi? Did they do that up until the 16th picture? Is that what they did? I want someone to write on the comment section and tell me that is exactly what was done. Please, let me know. I want to understand that. Because what the other 3 pictures, my understanding was that the other 3 pictures, they belong to who I choose number 1, which is Umuzi Sibiya. Then the other 16 belong to Ndanzi. So did anyone say 1 up to 16 Ndanzi? So guess our pictures those pictures are belonging to Ndanzi because they are coming from the understanding for me. The pictures are belonging to Ndanzi because they came from his SD card. What was the understanding when it comes? Did anyone say Ibongani Ndanzi? Oh, I want to understand that. Can someone clarify for me, please? Let's talk about it in the comment section. I'm not saying anything else. What I know is that Uramsipile did say Ndanzi will come up and say these are his pictures. When he says these are his pictures, is he saying that this is me in these pictures? Or he is saying, I know these pictures, they are mine, they were in my phone or in my SD card? What exactly is being said? I want to hear your views when it comes to that before we go back and forth and do whatever when it comes to the entire picture situation. When Ndanzi is admitting that these are his pictures, is he saying this is me on the pictures, or he is saying, yes, these are my pictures, I acknowledge them because they were in my SD card? I want to understand before we deal with whatever the person that claims that that's him. Let's talk about that, because I want to understand the difference between admitting that, yes, these are my pictures because they were in my phone. Yes, this is me in these pictures. Isn't there a difference there? Which one did Ndanzi admit to? Let's talk in the comment section. I want to hear your views. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.